All right, we're gonna do another guitar unboxing. This one is a Bristol by Blueridge, and we got this through the Arkansas homeschool program from a company called Snake River Strings Company. This is for Joshua's music class in his homeschooling. So this is an all solid wood guitar made by or for Blueridge. I'm not sure how that works. Comes from Saga Music imports these. So we'll see what we got here. People seem to like guitar unboxing. Let's see. A little easier to get into than that Chinese guitar, which I assume this would be a Chinese guitar. All right, the Snake River put some pics in there and a little information from them. Comes in a kind of a gig bag type case. Here, Josh, will grab everything. Let's pull this out of the way. Not sure how well it's protected during shipping, but came in on UPS today. All right. Looks like most Blueridge guitars. Kind of a darker color, pretty wood. This is a Bristol. Where's my flashlight, son? I can't see. Here it is in my pocket. Bristol BL-160. That's what it is. It's got kind of dark in here. It's cloudy outside today, and there's a inlay. It's the guitar itself. Very nice guitar. So what we'll do, it's got that same old cheap looking, see it, Chinese pick guard there. Fake tortoise, but it is covered with plastic. We'll get it, I'll let you look at the back. We'll get it tuned up, I'm sure, yep, strings are loose. We'll get it tuned up, and we'll try to play it a little bit, so we'll be right back. All right, we got it tuned up here. This is supposed to be all solid wood according to the stuff. Well, we're using my phone, never mind. Maybe I'll look it up here in a second and read off what it says about it. Go get my tablet. Yeah, open it up there and look up a Bristol BL-160 and we'll see what the specs are. This guitar is, I'm sure, made in China. Imported, yeah, made in China, imported by Saga Musical. This is a much nicer guitar than some of those fake Martins that you can buy, like we had in one of our videos. I guess because the quality control feels like, I don't know what the nut width is. Maybe it'll show it when he looks it up there. It feels kind of narrow, but this is just a cheap pick that came with it from the Snake River String Company.
Bristol what?
Bristol BL-160. suit him well. I'm gonna let him. Here, you play a little bit. You ain't ashamed to get on the video and play, are you? Oh, he's scared to get on here and play, so he's coming along quite well. Looks like Saga Musical has this guitar listed at $975 on their website. According to this Google AI, it's available from anywhere from $760 to $975. Let's see what it says. It's the BL-160 Deluxe Series. And I believe solid aged spruce top. It says solid East Indian rosewood back and side. So it is an all solid wood guitar. I know Recording King has maybe an $850 range all solid wood guitar. The action is very low on this guitar. I may hear a little. I play a little heavy handed, so I may hear just a little. It might would buzz if I got too hard on it. I don't know. I'm not much of a guitar player anyway, but I think this is going to be a good guitar. I like guitars, so when I look at one, most of the time I like them, but that Chinese copy, like I say, it failed in a lot of places. But so far, it comes with a strap button. You don't get that from Martin. They make you drill a hole in your new guitar, or either come up with another way. So that's it. Let's see if we can. It's going to be a nice guitar. Of course, with solid wood, you got to be careful about humidity and all that kind of stuff. But thank you for watching. We try to every now and then put another YouTube video up, just to, at least so we can get it back to where they pay us. They stopped paying us because I quit putting up videos. So we got one today, and this is a Bristol by Blueridge BL-160. There's the headstock, says Bristol. Open back tuners, and I don't know why there's different, why Blueridge needs another name or different company, but it's all imported by Saga Musical. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hope the Lord blesses you.